Have you ever noticed how one day you bend down to pick something up and suddenly your knees feel weak, your back pulls, or you lose balance for just a second? Most seniors say, it's just old age. But what if I told you that tiny moment is often the first warning sign, a sign that your muscles, joints, and balance are slipping faster than you think? Here's the scary part. Over 60% of seniors who experience just one small fall-related slip end up losing mobility within 3 years. Not because the fall was severe, but because their muscles weren't strong enough, their balance wasn't trained, and their body wasn't being supported daily. Has this ever happened to you? A sudden stiffness when getting out of bed? Feeling tired after walking a short distance, or realizing your legs don't feel as stable as before? Let me know in the comments if you felt this way. You're not alone. And here's something most people never hear from doctors. Ignoring these early signs can lead to faster aging, reduced independence, and higher fall risk. But the good news, just 2 simple home exercises done daily can slow and, in many cases, reverse these changes. No gym, no equipment, no pain, just safe, low-impact moves that rebuild strength, balance, circulation, and long-term healthy aging. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to the Green Health channel so you never miss life-changing wellness tips designed especially for seniors who want to stay strong, mobile, and independent. And trust me, you want to watch this till the end because exercise number 2 is the one physiotherapists say can cut your fall risk almost in half, and most seniors have never even tried it. Plus, I'll share one bonus trick at the end that helps your joints and muscles recover faster after exercise, especially if you're over 60. So stick around. The best tip is coming in just a minute. Let's get started. Exercise number 1, the chair stand. Builds leg strength, improves circulation, boosts mobility. All right, let's begin with the first exercise. And this one is so powerful that senior physiotherapists call it the gateway to independence. Why? Because if your legs are weak, everything becomes harder. Standing up, walking, climbing stairs, even getting out of bed. This exercise is called the chair stand, and it strengthens your thighs, hips, lower back, and your core all at once. Here's what to do. Sit on a stable chair with your feet flat on the ground. Cross your arms over your chest, or if you need support, place your hands lightly on the chair. Slowly stand up, then slowly sit back down. That's 1 repetition. But here's what makes it magical. Slow, controlled movements activate the muscles that prevent falls. You'll feel your thighs working, you'll feel your balance improving, and within a few days, many seniors say they already feel stronger. Do this 10 times. If that's too much, start with 5. Your strength will build quickly. Stick around, because exercise number 2 is even more important. Balance protects your life more than strength, and this next move trains both. Exercise number 2, the wall balance hold. Improves balance, prevents falls, strengthens stabilizer muscles. Now, this second exercise is the one experts say seniors must do daily, especially after age 60. It's called the wall balance hold, and it trains the tiny stabilizer muscles in your ankles, knees, hips, and core that keep you steady when walking or standing. Here's the simple way to do it. Stand beside a wall or countertop. Lightly place one hand on the surface for support. Lift 1 foot off the floor, just a few inches. Keep your back straight, chest up, and eyes looking forward. Hold this position for 10 to 20 seconds. You'll feel your legs shaking a little, and that's good. It means your stabilizer muscles are waking up. Switch sides and repeat with the other leg. Do this 2 to 3 times per leg every day. Here's why it's life-changing. Studies show that practicing one-leg balance can reduce fall risk by nearly 40%, and falls are one of the biggest dangers and causes of injury for seniors. If you want to stay strong, independent, and active for years to come, this is the exercise for you. And don't go anywhere. The bonus tip coming next is a secret many seniors miss, and it can help your joints and muscles feel younger and more flexible. Bonus tip: the 30-second warm water trick. Reduces stiffness, boosts mobility, and prevents joint pain. Here's a simple bonus tip that can make your exercises feel smoother and reduce stiffness. Before you exercise, or even after, place your hands or feet in warm water for 30 seconds or use a warm towel on your joints. The warmth increases blood flow, loosens tight muscles, and reduces the morning stiffness many seniors feel. This fast trick helps your body respond better to the exercises and makes movement safer and easier. Seniors who do this regularly say they feel lighter, more flexible, and far more confident in their daily movements. Healthy aging tip number 1: prioritize protein at breakfast. Most seniors eat too many carbs and not enough muscle-saving protein. When your body doesn't get protein in the morning, your muscles shrink faster. This leads to weakness, slow walking, poor balance, and low immunity. Add eggs, Greek yogurt, beans, or nuts to your breakfast. Even 15 to 20 grams of protein each morning can make you feel stronger all day. Healthy aging tip number 2: drink water before each meal. Dehydration is one of the silent causes of dizziness, fatigue, headaches, and joint pain in older adults. A simple rule: drink 1 glass of water 15 minutes before every meal. It improves digestion, improves circulation, keeps your brain sharp, and helps your joints stay lubricated. Try it for 3 days. You will feel the difference. Healthy aging tip number 3: move every 30 minutes. Long sitting times increase the risk of heart disease, stroke, blood clots, and back pain. Set a timer on your phone. Every 30 minutes, stand, stretch, walk to the door and back, roll your shoulders, rotate your ankles. These micro movements protect your joints and keep your heart healthy. If you want more simple, senior-friendly wellness tips like these, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the Green Health Channel. Your support helps us reach more seniors who deserve to live stronger, healthier, and happier lives. Let me know in the comments which exercise or tip you're starting today. And remember, your age doesn't limit you. Your habits do. And today, you just built new ones. Thanks for staying to the end, and I hope to see you in the next one, God's willing. Always remember that green health cares.